Hey everybody, Matt from Vyopta here with a brief comparison video today. So if you're not familiar with Vyopta, we provide monitoring and analytics across a wide range of platform and vendors, with Cisco being a vendor that many of our customers use. Naturally, we get the question, what is the difference between Vyopta and Cisco Control Hub? While there are some similarities, the differences are quite vast and quite large. Control Hub does provide a lot of great features around provisioning and device management, but when it comes to getting critical data around your UC deployment, the analytics barely scratch the surface. One big differentiator is that Control Hub only covers Cisco. So those of you with a mixed environment, which is nearly every company out there, Control Hub just won't cut it in terms of showing all of your data in one place. Another factor is that Control Hub might not even cover most of your Cisco environment. Perhaps you have a mix of cloud and on-prem infrastructure like Call Manager and Control Hub registered endpoints, or maybe you have on-premise bridging resources or session border controllers like Cube. Today, Control Hub Analytics only covers a small subset of the entire Cisco collaboration stack. So if you're purely Cisco, you still might not be fully covered with Control Hub, and that's before we even get into the analytics. With Control Hub, your analytics are static and not at all flexible. Sure, you can get the basics, but what can you really do with the basics? I can look at devices and meetings, but only the most standard KPIs and trend graphs, and I can't easily filter down into any of this data. With Vyopta, not only are the data and charts more flexible, you can dig deep using custom parameters and filters, allowing visibility into the data that is most relevant and important. Let's take a look. Of course, calls and meetings are important, but it doesn't stop there. How about seeing just the calls from a specific number or user, perhaps creating a VIP list of users, devices, or sites? It's all easy with a simple filter added to any panel. How about adjusting basic panels to show me calls or meetings that have bad quality? Or quickly understanding how many point-to-point calls are happening versus meetings? Coming back to quality of calls or meetings, how about showing this in an easy to understand percentage or trend, and easily swapping these metrics like modality to compare audio versus video quality? Perhaps you want to know how many users are calling in from home versus the office based on IP range. Again, this is simple with a basic and easy to understand KPI and graph filter. Not only is this data easy to generate, it is all actionable. So all I need to do is click on a graph and I can drill down several layers into the call level, which shows call information in rich detail. This can also act as your compliance tool, where you need to know who called who, how often, for how long, and more. I can't forget to mention tags, which also allow you to apply custom metrics to your device and user data, so you can logically group information based on categories that are relevant to your business. Not one of these items that I've listed can be done in Control Hub, and these are just a few of the many examples. So as you can see, I could go on for quite a while, but this video would be far too long. The possibilities are nearly limitless when you have a powerful next-gen architecture processing your data in the background with Vyopta. Hopefully this sheds some light on the differences between Control Hub and Vyopta. When it comes to real data that you can use to help make critical decisions for your business, you can't do much with only a few static, unactionable KPIs and graphs. You need to do more with your data, and Vyopta is the only place you can do this across not only your entire Cisco environment, but across your likely multi-vendor, multi-platform environment. For more, you can always visit us at vyopta.com, and I'll see you again real soon.